Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we want to show you around a little bit. This is where we do our R&D, development of new products, and we also shoot our YouTube videos. This is a new project we're working on. This is for a 65 Riviera. So what we're kind of doing is we're looking at a set of control arms, and when we're working with the parts, we have to also figure out what has to be modified or changed in order to make the shocks fit. And in this case, we had to open the hole up in order to fit the shock inside on the shock mount. This is an original control arm. The way this one was, it didn't fit. The other thing we look at is on our T-bars or our brackets, trying to decide which is going to work better. Do we put a bracket in the bottom like that, or do we make a different T-bar because this bolt center is longer? And as we go along, for instance, this is our standard GM T-bar. The Riviera is going to take either a custom longer T-bar or a bracket to sit in the lower control arm in order to mount the shock. Another new project we're working on is our 07 to 13 GM truck. So what we've done is we've taken the lower control arm, we've made a prototype bracket, which in turn allows us to make our production bracket. For our upper brackets, what we'll do is we'll take the original shock, we'll use the bolt pattern to determine our new bolt pattern, and then in turn we've made our upper brackets. You've probably seen this 55 Chevy truck a few times in various videos. We've also done a magazine article with it. We did the installation of the double adjustable front coilovers. We also set it up for rear shocks in the back and a panhard rod. Now that we've used my buddy Frank's truck for a few videos, a few installations, a few test fits, we're going to be sending it home and he'll be able to finish up with his project. So this concludes our little tour of the R&D facility here at Aldan American. If there's any applications that we don't have listed or you'd like to see us make, please call us or comment below on this video.